Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to learn about addition command. How we can use the addition command in XINJE PLC. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my XDPPro tool and here we will create a new project. Very simple and easy method. You can click it on the new project. And this is old. If you like to be saved, click on yes. If you don't like to be saved, click no, and this interface will be open. And you can see it here is the many models of related with XINJE PLC. Which model you have, that's you can select. I have a XC242 model, so I will select this one and click it OK. And your new project is now opened. Later on you can click save as, and when your folders are there, you can see here is the save project as, which folder you create in your desktop or in your any disk. After you can save this one. So first of all, I will take my one input address. For example, X0 I will take. LDP I choose because of 1 pulses we need. Otherwise also can be LD I can use, no problem. LDX0 is my first input. Think about this is X0 is your signal from the field. Some conveyor is running and there is a one sensor installed. There is any continuous signal coming when product is running, and after here is X0 executing. After you like to be this make a calculation with in the math function yani. So we will take this one first, increment command. INC, any data register you can choose. For example, D0 I will choose. You can make the increment at this D0. This is your signal from the field and this is your data register which you like to be used for the calculation in the addition command. And next one more we will be take. That's for example LDX1 I will choose. This is my second sensor. This is, and I will make this increment INC at the D5 for example. There's two data registers I like to be make addition. This is gonna look like conveyor running and some products running at the conveyor, and here is also value coming and here is also value coming, and we like to be addition and take it at the 1 point. So next we will take any LD M1000, any number you can choose, and after we will choose the addition command. ADD when you type, after you will be got the addition command, and which we like to be make the additions D0 and D5. Simply you write the D0 and next D5 which you like to be addition, and next you any data register you can choose. For example D20 I will be choose and click enter. And now what this command will be do, which value is coming at the X0 and means any D0 and which value is coming at the D5, that's command will be both values calculate and answer gives to you in the D20. Because of this is basically this addition command is look like a calculator. It's continuously running in the industrial works, and after this answer you can read in the next data register, and that next data register you can use any command. For example compare command, greater than, less than or whatever, and you like to make on and off your any output after, and depends on your logic creation. So I will explain you this just only how this make addition yani. So we will download this program into the PLC. Wait for some seconds, it will be now start downloading. So now it's successfully downloaded and it PLC is now in stop mode. We will put into the run mode. Now our CPU is now in run mode. Here also you can see the status, and we will go to the monitoring. An example here is now nothing any value as the D0 also any value not have, and the D5 also not have any value. So and also D20 is now also empty. So I will give the press my X0 signal, and after you will be see this is the many values coming at the these D0. So what we have to be do, this is very simple. Stop the PLC, and this is we type LDP, means rising edge. One signal, when we press the button, one signal only needs to be go into the T0. So click enter, and after next also X1 also we will be write LDP and click enter, and this will be gives the answer in the T0 and download into the PLC. And now we will make the PLC and run. And now I will press, this is D0. You can see is the one signal is ready only at the D0. When second product is coming, means look like when sensor detects the another signal, so it will be comes to 3, 4, 5, 6. And also if here is some product is running at the D5 and the X1, when coming signal after, you can see this is the D5, 2 value, 3 value, 4 value, 6 values, 7 value is coming. But here is not answer coming. Why not answer coming? Because of we not execute the M1000. This is our internal memory relay, and we will make it the on, and after you can see this answer is executed. 6 plus 7 is how much? 13. Again when I give the signal at X0, after you can see 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 7 is 15. 9 plus 7 is 16. So it will be continue when your product is running from the running at the in front of the sensor. This will be count completed, and here this command will be calculate automatically and gives you answer into the D20. And after this D20, you can use compare command or greater than, less than, whatever which is your logic, that you can use this one D20. And if you like to be see this value, for example, just only in the HMI, how much products goes to from the this X0 signal, and how much pieces coming from the X1, so you can see, calculate and see at the one point. For example, I will give it now X1 sensor. You can see 8, 9, 10, 11, 4, 13, 12, 13, 14. And it means how much signals coming at the D0 and how much signals coming at the D5. It will be automatically calculate, and answer gives to the D20. And the D20 you can compare in the next program. I will make one also compare instruction. You can see stop the PLC, and just here type LDM1000, and next you can type LD when greater or equal D20, D20 with the D50 for example, and click enter, and output we need the Y0 and click enter, and this you can write into the PLC. And now our program is successfully downloaded, and we will make the run position. And here I will define, for example, 50 values will be ready when after we need to be on of our output. So first I will make this one on this M1000. So I will give the signal at D0. Now you can see it's the D0 at the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 25 value I will put at the D0. And now we will give value at the X1. You can see in the 6, 7, 34, 35. This is as our value reached at our D50 value, after it will be on. You can see now our Y0 is on. So same like you can reduce also. this on off conveyor you like to be stop when your calculation how much pieces you like to be calculate and ready for packing or whatever. Then after you like to be stop your conveyor, you can stop your conveyor. And also this status also you can take it the HMI and you can see the status. So hope guys you will be understand about this addition command, how we can use the addition command in XNJ PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.